Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob and I'm pretty sure you're doing well wherever you're watching the video from. Look at this, we've got a question right over here. In the diagram, ABC is a triangle. The equations of the lines AB and BC are 12y plus 11x is equal to 60 and x minus 4y is equal to 8 respectively. The gradient of the line AC is 2 centimeters. Find the coordinates of A, of B, and of C. All right, so without wasting our time, we can get this equation, okay? So that is 12y, okay, plus 11x is equal to 60. So I've just gotten this equation, and I'm going to use what we call y-intercept to find the coordinates at A. So for y-intercept, x is always 0, okay? So the x value at A will always be a 0. So now we get this 0, we substitute it where x is in our equation, which is crossing the y-axis at A, which is this one. So there's a 0 here to put, and you're going to get a 12y is equal to 60, because this will give us a 0. Divide by 12 by 12, this and this will go. The value of y will be equal to 5, because 12 into 12 it's a 1, 260 it's a 5. Therefore, the coordinates at point A are 0, 5. So we've gotten this one. We go to the next one. We'll go to point B. So for point B, we of course need both equations. So we need the first equation, which is this one, 12y plus 11x is equal to 60. We also need this other equation. So we can say this is 8x minus 8y. Is it 8y? 4y, sorry. It's a 4y, which is equal to 8. So we've got equation 1 and equation 2. So there are two equations here. Basically, what we're going to do is to find their meeting points here. So in this case, I can say, okay, here, I'll get equation 2 and make x the subject. So this is how it will be. Meaning this 4y will cross the equal sign, it will come this side, we shall have 8 plus 4y. And this is called equation 3. So now we get equation 3, where there is x here in equation 1, we substitute this part. So that would be a 12y plus 11, okay, open bracket, 8 plus 4y is equal to 60. So where x is, we substitute 8 plus 4y. And from here, we solve, that's a 12y plus 8 plus 44y is equal to 60. We group the like terms. So this will be a 12y plus 44, this is 44y, which is equal to 60 minus 88, okay? So this will give us a 56y, which is equal to negative 28 when we work out here. We divide by 56, this and this will go, y will give us a negative 1 over 2. So the y value here at B is a negative 1 over 2. So now we can get any of the equations. If you want, get equation 3, which is this one, that is x is equal to 8 plus 4y. And this equation will help us find the value of x, where we shall substitute the value of y, where y is here. The value of y, which is a negative 1 over 2. So 2 into 2, it's a 1, into 4, it's a 2. We've got 8, okay, minus 2. This negative, can you see the negative here? It's what is changing this to minus. And after this, we're getting a 6 as the x value. So the coordinates at B are 6, negative 1 over 2, just here. We now go to the next question. So for the next question, right over here, the next point, which is a C. So for C, we're going to find the equation right over here, this equation. So find equation AB. We don't know equation, AC. We don't know equation AC. So now to find equation AC, you're going to use the coordinates at A and also the gradient, which is a 2. So in the question, they said gradient is equal to 2. And then the coordinates at A, we found them to be equal to 0, 5. So we just say y is equal to mx plus c. So what is our y? It's a 5. M is a 2, x is a 0, plus c. And when you work out, you're getting the value of c to be equal to a 5. Therefore, the equation is y is equal to 2x plus 5. So this is the equation AC. So now, since we know AC equation and we also have BC, we can say this is our equation 1, which is AC, and our equation 2, which is x minus 4y, x minus 4y is equal to 8. This is our equation 2. So here, we're just going to get this part, substitute it where y is. And this is how it's going to look like if you are following. Okay, so now from here, we can say x minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 8. So this will give us a negative 7x, which is equal to 8 plus 20. When minus 20 crosses the equal sign, it's now giving us a plus 20. So negative 7x is equal to 28. We divide by negative 7 by negative 7. This and this will go, x will be equal to negative 4. Okay? So x is equal to negative 4. Okay? So for the y coordinate to be found, since we found the x coordinate, we can get any of the equations. If you want, we can get equation 1. So equation 1 is y is equal to 2x plus 5. Y is equal to 2. There we write negative 4 plus 5 here. And when we work out, this is giving us negative 8 plus 5. The y value is equal to negative 3. So we can say coordinates at C are negative 4, comma, negative 3. So these are the coordinates. Okay. And then since we've managed now to find all the coordinates, let me list them here. So for A we found 0, 5. B is a 6, negative 1 over 2. C is a negative 4, negative 3. Negative 4, negative 3. Okay. So those are the coordinates for question A. Question B, to find the area. So this is question B. To find the area of a triangle, this triangle has got these coordinates. So we're just going to say 1 over 2, and then we write these points in column form. Okay? So this one, 6, negative 1 over 2, here negative 4, and then there negative 3. So after writing them in column form, we come and get this same one, which is a 0, 5. Bring it back. So now from here, we now start finding their determinants. So determinant of this set will be 0 minus. Here, it will give us a 30. Okay? And then we say plus. Determinant of these two, this times this, it will give us a negative 18 minus. When we multiply here, it's a 2. Okay? Minus 2. I hope you're able to see. When we multiply negative 1 times negative 4, it will give us a positive 2. So we write minus 2. We come to these 2. So that is negative 20 minus 0. So that's what we are getting now. And from here, we can say this is a negative 30 here plus, should I say minus? It's a minus 20, even here minus 20. Okay? And from here, we have a 1 over 2. Here, all these are giving us a minus 70. Okay? So minus 70 here. Since these bar have been put, they are representing, or they are telling us that whichever answer that we get here, be it positive or negative, it should always be a positive. So if it's negative, it will be positive. If it's positive, it will maintain positive. So these, they just work on the negative side. So 2 into 2, it's a 1. In 270, it's a 36. And actually 35. So our area is a 35 square units. That's our area. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share the video. This has been Isichamba Jacob, and bye-bye.